Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Please check it, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible? Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right. Sorry for the delay, guys. And check it what we completed in the last session. I think so. In the last class, just I completed then overview of what is this full stack Java, what content is included inside the full stack Java. So these points we understood in the last session. Okay. Again, now if we observe the last class content there, so this is the part here what I explained there in the last class. Project, if you observe this, analysis, development, testing, and production. So in a development, these many courses are available. In a testing, manual plus Selenium is available. In a production, Linux, AWS, and DevOps, all the content is existed. So everything, whatever the technologies we listed here, everything we provided under what their full stack Java developers course. Where out of all these things, the total Java classes I'm going to take. Java stream I'm going to take. Okay. Java stream in the sense like what there, this total part. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, and web services. This part I'm going to take. Remaining contents would be taken care by some other trainers in Durgasoft. Expert trainers are available. They're able to take the responsibility of all the remaining content. Okay. Right, sir. That's it. Then after this, I given some schedules also be clearly for full stack Java developers. So not only for full stack Java developers, no, understand it clearly. Parallelly, we have to attend for 4 sessions, but immediately, not immediately. At this mode, only one session I started here. Gradually, I'm going to increase the 2 sessions. Okay. When we complete half of the core Java, then I will start advanced Java. Okay. Remaining courses we can learn at any cost, at any time. Remaining courses are like what there. Immediately we can start Oracle and basic UI and DevOps. Linux, AWS, and DevOps we can start immediately, no problem. Okay. But overall 4 slots if we take, no, 2 slots I'm going to take. What 2 slots I'm going to take actually, you can understand 10 to 11:30 is our original slot. 11:30 to 1 now I'm going to take for the sake of this advanced Java kind of content. No, at morning 2 more slots we can utilize for the sake of the remaining courses as per your interest. Okay. Right, sir. Then already given some details of this particular content, and one more point I'm telling there, from these demo classes, from this, what exactly the batches here we started, we are having in Java. If you have to this, overall 4 batches are available. That means 4 types of batches we are starting behalf of Java. In Java overall 4 types of packages are available. First one is only batch 1 core Java. Next one is batch 2 basic Java package. Next one is a complete Java package. Next one is what the full stack Java package. Understand it clearly. So in full stack Java, already I included all the concepts. No, in a complete Java, just only 9 concepts are available: core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, and basic UI. In basic Java, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, basic UI, and individual courses only core Java. So all any of the course here we can select and we can join for that courses clearly. Okay, that's okay. These are the details here what I am telling now. This is okay, fine, leave this. Now coming to the content, coming to the topics there. Now today we are going to start, I'm going to start core Java content. Core Java, today I'm going to start the content of like what there core Java. In core Java, in core Java, what topics we are going to start? My responsibility is totally Java. Inside the Java, core Java is one of the topic. This is a main topic, is a heart of the Java. What I am going to cover inside this core Java, what we are going to see inside the core Java. Just few minutes of time. Let me list out all the topics, and I'm going to give some introductory part for each and every topic so that we are able to get overall view of our Java programming language. Okay. See this one, very first topic here I'm going to take like what the introduction part here I'm going to discuss, introduction content. So inside this introduction part, what I'm going to discuss with you, what is the greatness of the Java when compared with other programming languages? How Java is different from C and C++? What is the requirement to introduce Java programming language to outside? What is the root cause for providing Java programming language? What features are available inside the Java programming language? Almost all 12 number of features are available. There we are going to understand like what there. Java is a simple programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is a platform independent programming language. Java is an architectural neutral programming language. Java is a portable programming language, robust programming language, dynamic programming language, secure programming language, distributed programming language, multi-threaded programming language, interpretive programming language, and high performance programming language. These many features are available for what there Java. So we are going to understand all the concepts inside this introduction. Then before this, we need to understand the differences between Java and others. Differences between Java and others. So where almost all 9 differences I'm going to discuss. The totally internal concepts I'm going to discuss there clearly now. After that, what exactly the Java programming format? To write Java program, what format here we are going to understand. What exactly the structure we have to follow to prepare the Java program, that we are going to understand. After that, Java is a case-sensitive programming language. What is the meaning of case-sensitive programming language? No, there is a separate recognition for lowercase letters and uppercase letters. But here the question is, in Java programs, where we have to use lowercase letters and where we have to use uppercase letters, that we have to understand. There I'm going to discuss the locations where we are going to use lowercase letters and the locations where we are going to use uppercase letters, that we are going to understand. This is totally introduction topic clearly. That introduction will make you to understand why Java is different from other programming languages. What is Java in 5 minutes of time? After that, Java is a case sensitive programming language, where to use lowercase letters and where to use uppercase letters. And what is the basic Java programming format? Which format we have to follow to write the Java programs? All these many things we are going to understand under like what their introduction content. That's the point here I'm telling to you now. That's okay, fine. After this, after completion of this particular point here, the second topic here, what we are going to understand, steps to prepare first Java application. Okay, up to now just we understood theoretically. Why Java, what is Java, what is the need of Java, all the points. Now, how we are going to write Java programs. Observe carefully. My approach is totally different. In the steps to prepare first Java application, I'm going to start the content right from downloading Java software from internet. I'll show from where we have to download the Java software. Okay. After understanding that, downloading Java software from internet. After that, what next one here we have to do there after completion of this? How to download Java editors and Java IDEs from internet. Okay. Then how to install Java software, how to install Java editor or IDE, how to open editor or IDE, how to write program, how to save Java file into our system. While saving Java files to the system, what are the rules and regulations we have to follow? After that, how to compile Java program. Just we used to give Java C space tester.java. But what happened internally if I use Java C command? How to execute our Java program? Java space tester class name. But what is going to be happen when we use Java command internally? All these points here we have to understand clearly. So these topics I'm going to be cover inside like what there steps to prepare first Java application. Those who are learning Java first time, these topics are very important. Already if you have some awareness on Java, easily we can understand the content. But I'll make it is very simple to understand each and every point now. Right, sir, leave this one. Now the next one is like what there language fundamentals. All of you observe carefully. Up to now, what we understood there, theoretically we understood what is Java, why we need to come for Java. After that, we understood clearly how to prepare Java programs. Okay. But now the third one is what there, what we have to write inside the Java program. What we have to keep inside the Java program. We are going to prepare Java file. Inside the Java file, what we have to write? How we are going to build up the logics inside the Java program. That content, that the programming elements of the Java applications, we are going to cover under like what their language fundamentals. Inside these language fundamentals, I'm going to cover like what their identifiers, operators, number systems, data types, typecasting, uh, like control statements, like if else, switch, for loop, while loop, do while loop, break statement, continue statement, how to develop the logics, how to prepare the logics. Part of this language fundamentals, we are going to understand all these concepts clearly. So that we are able to understand the basics of the Java programming content we are going to understand. After that, the most important topic, the very important topic, that is like what there, oops. The very important topic is like what there, oops. That we are going to understand. If you want to give stars for this object orientation, if you want to give stars for object orientation to represent the importance of this object orientation, we can give 100 stars. We can give 100 stars. But it's the most important topic in entire core Java. On simple analysis, I'm telling to you. In the first class itself, I given clarity. Entire software industry is moving on the top of the Java. That Java is moving on the top of the core Java. Core Java is moving on the top of the object orientation. If we shuffle this object orientation, entire industry has to be collapsed. Understand it now? So here I'm going to talk about object orientation the more and more deeper manner. And moreover, previously I said one point to you. If you know Java, then it is very simple to migrate it to any other technology like Python or something else. How I can say that point now? In Java, object orientation is available. It is a strong platform in Java, object orientation. In Python also, object orientation is available. If you learn Java object orientation, it's a very dead simple to understand what their Python object orientation. Understand it clearly what I'm telling them. In Java, if you know the object orientation, it's very simple to understand object orientation in Python. It's very simple to understand object orientation in C#.NET. Sir, all of you get my point or not? Object orientation is common to multiple programming languages, but Java object orientation is a strong base, strong base. If you know this strong base, you can understand any other technology easily. So this is what exactly the meaning of like what there object orientation. All right. Fortunately, I have very good knowledge on Java. I have very good knowledge on this object orientation. I had some R&D work on object orientation. The total information I'm going to deliver part of our classes in object orientation. That's it. That's okay, fine. After completion of this object orientation, there we are going to start some topics like what there, wrapper classes. Wrapper classes. In general, we know already data types. Am I right? Data types, already we are aware. What are the various data types? In general, we used to identify int is one data type, long is another one, float, double, boolean, character, all these are like what their data types. For each and every these data types, we have a separate classes in Java. A set of classes are provided for each and every primitive data types. That set of classes are called as what? Wrapper classes. Set of classes are called as what? Their wrapper classes. Byte, short, int, long, not int, byte, short, integer, not int. Int is a primitive data type. Wrapper class is what? Their integer, long, float, double, boolean. Char is a primitive data type, but wrapper class is a character. Understand my point now? Like this, 8 number of predefined classes are available. They are nothing but what their wrapper classes. That's okay, fine. Leave this one. Next one is after this, inner classes. Next topic. What is the next topic there now? Inner classes. What is the meaning of these inner classes actually? What you are understanding about inner classes? No. See, you know already in a C or a C++ or Java, whatever it may be, we can write a loop inside another loop. Am I right or not? A for loop we can write inside another for loop. That loop is called as what their inner loop or nested loop. Am I right or not? Internal loop is called as what their inner loop or nested loop. Similarly, in Java, we can write a class inside another class. In Java, we can write a class inside another class. So that internal class is called as what their inner class and is also be called as what their nested class. Inner class and is also be called as like what their nested class. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? Inner class or what next one? Nested class now. These inner classes and nested classes both are existed clearly in our Java. There four types of nested classes are available. Member inner class, static inner class, method local inner class, anonymous inner classes. So we are going to understand all the four concepts part of our inner classes topic. Okay, fine. Next one is after this. Another topic is like what there packages. Packages. Package is not any other one, sir. Package is a folder, or else maybe package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Tell me, what is a package? No, package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Come again. Package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit, not more than that. But how to prepare a package, how to keep classes and interfaces inside a package, how do you access classes and interfaces from this package to the Java programs, to the main application, all their study we are going to understand inside like what their packages topic. Try to recognize this. Okay, how to prepare jar files, how to prepare zip files, how to access the content from jar files, everything we are going to understand these packages now. That's okay, fine. Next one is after this string manipulations. If you want to give stars there, for this we can give 25 number of stars. But it's an important one inside the Java. String manipulations. See, sir, we are saying that only imported things in the form of stars now. Can I learn only the topics? Is it sufficient for me to learn up to the topics? Is it not required to learn about the remaining concepts? No, what I'm saying there, they are important in the form of interviews. They're important. Definitely, we have to put more focus on these topics only. That point I'm trying to say. But overall idea is required on each and every topic. Moreover, if you want to understand these topics, oops, maybe string manipulations, maybe All other topics are required. Definitely we required. Awareness is required on all the topics now. But more focus we have to put on what they object orientation and string manipulations. Why? Because there is a scope to ask a number of questions on these two topics now. Interviewer may ask questions on these concepts now. That's why I'm highlighting these concepts here. But you need to have idea on all the concepts. And moreover, we are not only for the sake of passing interviews. After getting job inside the company, how to do project, that we have to think. If you are in a position to do projects now, completing interviews are nothing. That I'm trying to say to you clearly now. Fine, sir. That's okay, fine. String manipulations. In general, in our Java applications, in Java applications, we are able to perform number of string operations. Number of operations we are going to perform string. Say for example, calculating length of a string, converting from lowercase to uppercase, converting from uppercase to lowercase, concatenation operation, trim operations, left trim, right trim, finding duplicate elements. Like so many things are available here inside this string manipulations. All the string operations topic we are going to understand, like where there string manipulations part, string manipulation topic there we are going to use clearly. So all of you are getting it or not? What is the point I'm telling to you now? Okay, fine. Next one is after this, after completion of this, listen carefully. Another important topic is like what there exception handling. Here, if you want to give stars for this, no, there we can give like a 50 number of stars. Exception handling is also be one of the important topic. There we are going to understand what is an error, what is an exception, how many types of exceptions are available, checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions, pure checked exceptions, partially checked exceptions. What is throw keyword? What is throws keyword? What is try catch finally? What is the meaning of exception handling? How to define our own exceptions in our applications? All their details we are going to understand inside like what their exception handling mechanisms. There we are able to understand like what their exception handling mechanisms. So all of you are following or not? What I'm telling you now. That's okay, fine. After completion of this exception handling mechanisms now, the toughest part, the most confused topic in entire Java is like what there multi-threading. The most confusion topic in entire Java is like what there multi-threading. So here what we are going to understand, what is a thread? First of all, what is a process? What is single task? What is multitasking? What is a thread? How many threads are available in Java applications? Single thread model, multi-thread model. Java is of course multi-threaded model. What exactly the way to prepare threads in Java? Thread class, runnable interface. After that, thread class library, sleep method, join method, like what the start method, run method, different methods inside the thread classes libraries. After that, synchronization topic, synchronization. After completion of the thread safe resources, unthread safe resources, inter-thread communication. So many topics are available. All the concepts here we are going to understand. If you want to give stars for this topic there we can give like what there 75 number of stars for this. 75 number of stars here we can provide for this multi-threading. Moreover, this multi-threading is a main concept in gaming softwares. Are you aware about that gaming softwares? No. If you want to prepare any gaming software by using Java, they're the main concept what we have to know multi-threading. What is the main topic which is going on in the gaming softwares? That is what they're multi-threading. So that multi-threading we have to understand effectively. But don't worry, I'll make it is very simple. I'm able to discuss the content in the easiest manner about this multi-threading content. Clear? After completion of this multi-threading there, the next topic is what there IO streams, input and output operations. If you want to give some stars there, just we can give only 25 number of stars we can provide there. IO streams, 25 number of stars. What is the meaning of this stream? What is the meaning of this input and output stream? How many types of streams are available? Byte oriented streams, character oriented streams. How we are going to perform file operations, how to read data from a particular file, how to send data from Java program to a target file. Yes, sir, got it or not? How to copy an image data from one file to another file, how to copy the data from one text file to another text file. Answer my point here. After that, serialization, okay, externalization, file system, how to represent file system, sequential files, random access files, all their study we are going to understand inside, like what there IO streams. That's the content where we are going to understand. Next one is, after this, immediately after completion of this, there we are going to understand networking or socket programming. Networking or socket programming. All of you observe carefully. I think you are already aware about chatting applications. Am I right? Chatting applications. Gmail chat, Facebook chat applications are available. Two users, two separate windows. User 1 will send message from to user 2. User 2 will send message to user 1. Where messages are exchanged from one machine to another machine or not? From one user to another user or not? How can we exchange the messages from one user to another user? How it is possible to transfer messages from one mission to another mission? I get my point or not? That concept we are going to understand with what there networking or socket programming. So, all of you are following or not? Just try to understand what is what kind of information only. At least one time, if you know all the concepts, no, then after that it is very simple to understand that internal concepts. Right, sir. Then after this, after completion of this networking or socket programming, after understanding this particular topic, no, RMI, remote method invocation. RMI is what there? Remote method invocation. It's a distributed technology actually. It is required. It is also required for us. What is the meaning of this RMI actually? Remote method invocation. Very simple. I have a function in one computer. I have a function or maybe a method in one computer. I want to access that method from another computer. In general, we are working with a single computer. Inside my single computer, I have a method. In the same computer, I want to access that method. So we are able to get output. It's okay, normal. But my requirement is what? A method is available in another computer. From some other computer, I want to access that method. That's why it is called as what there RMI, remote method invocation. Where we are going to use this mechanism, where this mechanism is useful, are you aware about it? I will give one very good example. Now try to understand this example clearly. For example, simple point I'm telling there. Almost all this topic is connected with one very good real-time example actually. It will be used in real time, but not immediately. Not this only exact this content here. Extension of these RMIs are available. They are utilized in the real-time application development. What I said to you, what is this RMI now? Tell me. Remote method invocation. Method is available in remote mission that we want to call from local mission. That's the point now. Where we are going to simulate this topic, one simple example. For example, I want to transfer some amount of money from my account to my friend account. My account, my friend account, both are available in ICICI Bank, no issues, no problem. Easily we can transfer the money from my account to my friend account, both are in the same bank. But unfortunately, my situation is what? Myself, I'm having my account in ICICI Bank. My account is available in ICICI Bank. But my friend has an account in HDFC Bank. My account is in ICICI Bank. My friend has account in what there? HDFC Bank. Still, I want to transfer 10,000 from my account to my friend account. Now tell me, both the accounts are available to different applications or not? These two different applications are available to different systems or not? Now my application, my bank application has to access HDFC bank application method or not? Come on. My bank application has to access HDFC application method or not? So that method is available at remote machine. My program is available at local machine, client machine, my own computer. From my own computer, I am calling what their other computer method, other computer application. So the internal topic is what their RMI, remote method invocation. Of course, next level of RMI, is what their web services. That web services can be used to implement this kind of applications. Web services are used to implement this type of applications. But if you want to understand web services there, here we must understand what their RMI. That's why I'm including this RMI part of the core Java, part of the J2SE. That's it. Leave this one. RMI is okay, fine, completed. Next one is after this AWT. Next one is what there Spring. Clearly, I'm telling there is totally outdated, completely outdated. These two topics are totally outdated, not at all required to understand. Not at all required to understand these two concepts. But still, if you want to learn these two concepts, no, I will give some video support to you. I will give what their video support to you. Now try to recognize this. First of all, not required. Nobody is using the AWT and Spring at present in our content. Actual thing is what there. This AWT and Spring both are provided in 1.0 version of the Java for preparing GUI applications. What applications? No, GUI applications, graphical user interface applications. But nowadays, to prepare this front-end development, to prepare the GUI applications, number of UI technologies are available. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and jQuery. These many technologies are available. Nowadays, maybe Angular or maybe React.js. These many technologies are available nowadays. Because of these many technologies for preparing UI patch in our application, nobody is using what topics there now? AWT and Spring. Moreover, they are not good to use in our applications. They may down the application's performance. They may reduce the application's performance. Right, sir. Now understand this clearly. Now this is a point here about this AWS, AWT, and what next one, and Spring. Okay, I'll not go for these two classes there. Just simply I will provide what there some videos. A set of videos are available. I will give that videos to you. Clearly we can understand. Okay, fine. After completion of these topics there, the next one is like what I'm telling to you, a reflection API and annotations. These topics are not required to discuss here. You may not understand immediately about these topics. No, in the future I will discuss about it. Reflection API and annotations. I'll talk about them later on. At present, you may not understand the point. At least even a single point also be you are unable to understand. I'll give that information to you in the future. No need to worry for it clearly. That's it. Just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Guys, everybody respond for me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Everybody, please respond to me, guys. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, sir. Now, understand it clearly. Reflection API and annotations, I will talk about them in the future. In the introduction part, you may not understand the topics, no? Require some Java stuff. Then only we are able to understand them. In the future, we are going to talk about these concepts. That's okay, fine. After completion of these concepts here, next one is JVM architecture. JVM architecture. JVM architecture, Java Virtual Machine. Who is executing our Java programs? If I ask this question, no. Answer is JVM. JVM is executing our Java programs. How JVM is executing our Java programs? What components are available inside the JVM? What JVM? How JVM is able to run our applications? That everything we are going to understand inside like what there JVM architecture. Next one is garbage collection. Garbage collections or collection. The topic, another topic now. Okay, one simple question I am telling to you. Try to understand it now. First of all, tell me all of you know, Java is an object-oriented programming language or not? Come on, guys, please respond to me. Java is an object-oriented programming language or not? Yes, definitely. Java is an object-oriented programming language. How can you say Java is an object-oriented programming language? How can you say that? Answer is very simple. In Java applications, the complete data, the total data will be stored in the form of objects only. In Java applications, the total data will be stored in the form of what there? Objects only. Object is a memory block, not more than that. There only data is going to be stored. While storing data in the form of objects, no, a set of rules and regulations here we have to follow. A set of rules and regulations are available that we have to follow. Right, sir. So whatever it may be, whenever we want to store data in the form of objects, there we have to use constructors. We have to create objects. To create objects, we are going to use constructors. But in Java, we are not going to destroy the objects. We are going to create the objects with the data, but we are not going to destroy the objects. Developers are not having any responsibility to destroy the objects in the case of Java. Why? Because in the case of Java, a separate internal component was provided to destroy the objects. In Java, a separate internal content was provided to destroy the objects. That separate internal content to destroy the objects is called garbage collector. In Java, garbage collector is a topic. It is able to destroy the objects automatically. But when it able to destroy the objects, how it is able to destroy the objects, all the points we are going to understand as part of like what there garbage collections. So there we are going to understand the topics effectively. Next one is after this regular expressions. Another topic is regular expressions. For the sake of data validations in Java programs, we are going to use regular expressions. Data validations in the sense, I can give some examples. In general, maybe if you want to create an account in any website where password field is available, password we have to prepare. Then immediately for password, people are giving some kind of conditions. Your password must contains at least 5 letters, where one letter should be capital letter, and digits we can allow, special symbols like a dot we can allow. This type of flexibilities or conditions they're able to provide. Accordingly, we have to prepare our password. Am I right or not? As per these rules and regulations only, we have to prepare the passwords. Okay, we prepare the password. But whether this password is the right password or not. So for the sake of this password, one pattern is defined internally. Our provided password will be compared with the pattern as per this pattern. If it is okay, then that is the right password. If it is not okay, it is a weak password. It is not a right password. Yes, sir, all of you get my point or not? So here we have to prepare one pattern to check whether a password is right or not. So this pattern and its a checking process will come under like what their regular expressions. Regular expression is able to define a pattern. As per that pattern only the string behavior must be existed. Otherwise it is able to give some type of problems. So this is exactly the meaning of like what their garbage. That means regular expression. Next one is another important topic. Another most important topic in entire core Java is what their collection framework. Here, how many stars here we want to give there for this collection framework? No, there we can give again 100 stars. 100 stars are provided for only two topics. What are the two topics? You know, one is object orientation and second one is what there collection framework. For these two only, here we are getting like what there 100%, 100 things here we can understand. Okay, fine. Now this is about collection framework. Next one is another topic is what the generics. Part of the collection framework only we are going to understand the generics. Very small topic that we are going to understand effectively. But at present you may not understand this is generics topic actually. You are unable to understand the generics concepts. Understand it clearly. Right, sir. After this, after completion of this particular content here, next one is generics are okay. Collection framework, regular expressions, garbage collections, JVM architecture, annotations, reflection API, like Spring, RMI, networking, IOSINs, multi-threading. Any other concept is missing, guys? Then anything is remaining here apart from this small topics. Now, if you observe this clearly, anything else apart from this? Okay, no problem. If anything is available, Onflow will add that content here. After this, after completion of the generics and all the concepts now, there we are going to start Java 8 version features. Java 8 version features. So many features are available. In Java 8 version, the main concept is lambda expressions. In Java 8 version, the main topic is what there? Lambda expressions. That's very, very important. If you want to go for the next level technologies, the Java 8 feature lambda expressions are very, very important. Without failure, you must understand the content clearly. Okay, I'll explain that. No need to worry for it. After that, Java 9 version features. Java 9 version features. Okay, fine. Right from this point onwards, and so on, and so on, and so on. Almost all we can understand it may be 35 or 36, the topic name, that doesn't matter. The number may be anything. There we can understand Java 20th version features. Java 20th version features. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? Almost all. It should be like what there. Right. Java 20th version features. Almost all 35 to 36 topics. Here we are going to understand clearly. This is totally huge syllabus in core Java. The more content, max content, huge syllabus inside the core Java. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? What's the point here I'm telling you? Okay, fine. So just at least one time here we need to understand about the total syllabus. That's why I given that entire content here. Okay. All right, so now itself I want to start like what their introduction content. Directly I'm going to start what their introduction part. Right. Now inside this introduction topic, what we are going to understand now, let me list out all the topics here. First one is Java history. First one is what there? Java history. Next one is differences between Java and others. Java and what next one? Others. Here others are what there? C comma C++. Differences between Java and others. After this, after completion of this, third one is like what there? Java features. Third one is what there? Java features. After this Java features, Java programming format. Java programming format. Next one is Java naming conventions. Like this, they are overall 5 topics which are available under introduction part. There we are going to understand each and every content clearly. Here we are going to understand like what there each and every topic. Now first here we have to understand like what there Java history. The topic here we are going to understand. Right, sir. Right. Before this, before going to start our content, everybody understand this clearly. Before starting our content here, I want to give some points to you. Try to listen carefully. Now, general information only, not like any other content, information only. So nowadays, maybe an outside season is not good. It's a rainy season totally. Even fortunate or unfortunate, I don't know. Unfortunately, even government has declared 2 days holidays for all schools, for every educational institute. But the thing is what the today is not raining. But government has declared holidays. Of course, they got the information from weather reports and all the different things. Whatever it may be, not required to criticize anything here. Whatever it may be, say it's a safe measurement, right? Safe kind of mode. Yeah, right. Government has to do that. That's okay, fine. But here the point what I'm telling to you, it's a rainy season in outside. Maybe it's going on. in the next 1.5 or 2 months of time, the season is going to be continued. Unexpectedly, some type of rain will come for us, right? So on that moment, for example, 8:30 is our class time, for example. Right from 8 o'clock onwards, if raining is going on in outside, rainfall is there, then what we have to do? We have to cancel the classes. That is one option. But cancellation of the class is not good. If the raining is started in the next 3 days, 4 days, the same raining is going on here, then what will be the status now? How we are going to cancel that classes up to 3 days, 4 days, 5 days of time? No, it's not good thing. So nowadays we had very good technologies in outside. Okay, so what I am telling there, listen all of you know what I am telling there. Even though the season is rainy, even the rain is available in outside, still our classes must be conducted. We have to conduct our classes. No chances for skipping the classes. We have to conduct the classes. But how it is possible there? If raining is going on, we are unable to come to this location. How it is possible? There I'm giving the solution through online. I'm able to take the classes on that particular day, not every day. Every day offline classes and online classes. No, yes, sir. All of you getting my point or not? In any unexpected situations, raining or maybe in some cases, if I'm not good, my health is not good, for example, but I want to take the class, but I'm unable to come to this location, for example, then definitely I want to take the classes in what their online mode only. By the time only one day or maybe next day, that's it, depending on situation and outside. But my 99.999 priorities for offline classes. Unexpectedly 0.0001% chances are available to conduct the classes in online. In that situation, I have to take the classes in online. Okay, good. Up to that, it's okay. But how we are going to take the classes in online, sir? In which link you are going to take the classes in online? I'm going to use GoToWebinar software. I have already one workshop link. Some kind of link is available, workshop link. In that workshop link, I'm going to take these classes. So what I'm telling there, I want to give that link details to you. If I give that link details to you now, so that you can attend the classes in like what there. See, this one I created actually workshop link. I want to share that link to everybody. Try to maintain that link here. Of course, all of you are watching the notes documents. Already given some URL for watching the notes. Am I right? Any of you require that? Any of you require that? I think any of you are not having that document. Don't worry. Today also I'm going to give the document details to you. Now this is like what their classroom notes. Now this is like what their workshop link. Workshop link. I'm providing to you this link. Okay. Take this is a link for notes, daily classroom notes. And no need to take this one here. I already paste this one. If you open this link in our system, there automatically we can see this link now. We can get this link and we can use that link for our content. Guys, all of you are getting it or not? If any of you wants to get that notes link now, try to take this. In any unexpected situation, if I want to take the class, I want to use this link for the sake of that unexpected classes content. Okay, try to maintain this. Right, sir. This is one point. And one more thing, listen carefully. Okay, fine. At 8 o'clock, rain was started in outside. For example, rain is started for example in outside. I'm unable to give intimation. See, in general, what I have to give, how I can communicate with you regarding this issue. You're at your home only. You're at your place only. But I need to give some intimation to you or not. Today the class is going to be happening online. You have to come to this workshop. Like this, I have to give some intimation or not. How I can give that intimation there? One process. I have to call to my admin people. My admin people, I have to give information to my admin people. My admin people have to send SMS or maybe they have to send one mail to you. Understand it clearly. It's somewhat indirect process, somewhat late process. Why? Because that message must be exchanged from one person to second person to third person. It may be delayed process. Maybe the mediator may delay it. Unfortunately, power failure may be happen. At my office, if power is not available, systems are not working. When systems are not working, how can they communicate with you? Sir, got it or not? So at any cost, you have to get that messages or not? That's why I want to go for one channel. I want to go for one channel. In that channel, directly, I am going to interact with you. Even my admin people will not interact with you. Of course, they will send one message there. That's okay, default message. But myself, I'm going to communicate with you clearly. How I'm going to communicate with you? There I have a channel clearly. I want to create the channel. Through the channel here, we are going to communicate with me. I'm going to communicate with you directly. Yes, sir. Got it or not? What is the channel here I'm going to create now? The channel name is what there? Google Classroom channel. What is that? Google Classroom channel. Just for the sake of communication between you and me, direct communication, I'm going to use that. So you have to use that channel there, right? Okay, just 1 minute. All of you open your mobile phones now. 1 minute. I'll show that. Definitely, I'll show that. By that, it will be good thing. All of you open your mobile phones. Everybody, those who are in both online and offline, both the members. Now, I'm going to conduct the classes in online, but I have to give communication with you. I have to be in communicate with you. So that's why here what I'm telling there. Everybody has to open mobile phones. Okay, internet connection is required. Open internet connection. Okay, all right. Go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Okay, and search for Google Classroom or simply Classroom. Search for Google Classroom or simply Classroom. Anything. Search for Google Classroom or simply Classroom. Have you identified it? Yes, sir. Have you identified it? Google Classroom or simply Classroom. All right, sir. Install it. Install that. I think it may take less time only. Install it. Google Classroom or simply Classroom. Install it. Install that app. Please, everybody has to do that. Why? Because if I give any message there, directly that message will hit your mobile phone. Directly that message will come to your mobile phone. There directly I can communicate with you. There is no indirect process, right? Now, there it is asking about classroom code. Am I right? There it is asking what? Classroom code. It is asking about classroom code. Enter this classroom code. Enter this classroom code. Is it asking classroom code or not? No? Classroom code. Is it entering classroom code or not? First of all, have you installed that software? Installed that app? Guys, I'm not getting any response from you. Invalid. What, sir? Is it? This was. Can I give your mobile phone? Invalid. One minute. And moreover, have you opened your Gmail ID? Have you installed that Gmail? I think everybody might be open Gmail, right? You also open Gmail, right? Why it is coming? K5 U D P T F. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Now try to enter this one. I think so. It may be the problem, like what there with that server. Maybe it's okay, but it will come there. Then try to remember both of them. How I can get the first one? Is it possible to get first one? Okay, no problem. Just try to take this. Try to take this. Okay, then try to check for it after a few minutes of time. Maybe after 1 hour of time. Try to check with this classroom code, right? And definitely it has to be open. Otherwise, what I have to do there? Copy class. Okay, copy class invite link. Okay, 1 minute. Link I given there. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Uh, this is the link here we are getting. Okay. Google Classroom. Have you opened this document? Okay, there I given some link there. Try to copy and paste that in browser. Otherwise, let me shorten this. 1 minute. Right, sir. 1 minute. Classes? I'm not getting. Classes? Uh-huh. Okay. I think exceeded. Limit was exceeded, I think. So, okay, fine. Right, sir. Anyway, then do one thing. I need to create another class. Class is full already. Yeah, give some time to him. I will check it and I will give some channel there. But actually, that channel that should be required for us actually. Why? Because 10 o'clock for every student, I'm giving the 10 o'clock related content. No, it's okay, fine. Okay, I think it's working, but class is full. You are getting that message. That's why we are getting some kind of message there. It's okay, no issues. What I am doing there, it's okay. If it is not the case, no, do one thing. Just 1 minute of time. Right, see this now. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll show this. I'm going to create some other classroom there for the sake of you. Don't worry. Then this is available full stack Java. Now try with this, guys. Now try with this. It's a completely fresh classroom. Try with this, everybody. Okay, try with this. Okay, so then here what I am telling there, if I want to give any message there, or if I want to send any technical related articles or maybe anything, if I want to share with you through directly through this one, I can share. Okay, try to maintain one time here. If you want to give any message immediately within fraction of seconds, you are able to get that message from my side if I post anything. And it should be in one way, guys. Don't share this to anybody else. No, even no need to give any comments and all the content here. Just only the channel I created for the sake of giving communication with you. If I want to say something on immediately, then I'm going to use this particular channel. If I post a message now, immediately we are able to get alert. That means notification on our mobile phone. There we can check it now. Okay, all of you are taking this. Then better to take this code in our notebooks also, in the case if it is required again. Okay, right, sir. Now try to take this one in our notes also if it is required. Continuously, I'm going to be in touch with you through this particular channel. Clear? Either we can take image or we can take this code in our notebook. Can I close it? Okay. And just I want to send some message to you. Now try to check now. Immediately we are able to get notification. Okay. Right, sir. Now just I'm giving some message to you. Now try to check it. Check it, guys. Are you getting any notification? No. All right. Just some welcome message I given there. Okay. Right. That's fine. Simple. That's the way we are able to provide the content. Right here. Are you not required to give any message to me? Turn off the chat session or microphone. Why? Okay, fine. It's okay. Then if you are getting continuous messages to me, then I will hide that comments and everything now. The chat, everything, right? But properly utilize this. Why? Because I had some very good experiences with the previous students now. Every day at morning, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. After that, it's okay, good. Sir, had you lunch? Had your breakfast? What is the requirement, sir? Real, I'm telling there, but don't mind for it. If any person is coming to me continuously, if any person is saying good morning, good afternoon, I'm getting irritation actually. Not required. Even for you also, I'm suggesting to you, don't say this kind of wish message now. We are very good friends. Every day we are coming here. Every day I'm seeing your faces. You are looking my face. That's enough. Okay. Just give a smile when I identified in outside. When I identify in outside, give a smile. That's enough. That is more wishes. Okay. Right, sir. All these formalities are not required. Understand it? What I'm telling you? It's okay. Fine. That's good, guys. Now leave this one here. So finally, then we have some channel. Then we have direct communication, but everybody we can utilize properly. Okay. All right, so that's okay. Fine. Now coming to the part. Leave this part here. Coming to the content. I think so. Just I want to remove this Google Classroom code. I want to provide directly here. 1 minute. 1 minute. Where is that code? Right in the document, I'm going to provide this Google Classroom code. You can utilize this. This is a Google Classroom code. That's okay, fine. You can utilize the content. Right, sir. All right. Next one is after this, after completion of this content here. Now we need to start today, like what there Java history. The topic here I want to start. Okay. Then can I start this on tomorrow? Java history. It's already 10 o'clock. Then tomorrow I want to start it. Today only the problem there. Then I came here a bit delay. tomorrow as it is on time I'm able to discuss the content. Maybe tomorrow if it is raining in outside, I will give intimation, I will take the decision. Don't take decision anonymously, wait until my decision. Definitely half an hour before I will check the environment. If it is not possible for you to come here, I will check it now. If it is a case no, and immediately I will send message there. You can attend the classes even through your mobile phones also. Just link I've given there. If you open that link, if you keep that link in the browser address bar there, directly classroom will come. There we can attend these classes through mobile phones also. Okay, but I will take the decision and I'll give that intimation to you clearly. Right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Shall meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see that remaining. Actual classes I'm going to start on tomorrow. Java history I'm going to start tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, then Suma, then definitely other classes videos will also be provided. Yeah, for every class videos will be provided. I'm sure. No need to worry for it. Yeah, please. ఇక్కడ ల్యాబ్ అసలు కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏమి ఉండదండి. మీరు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఈవెన్ మీ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో నేను చూపించేస్తాను మొత్తం క్లియర్ గా, నేను ఇంక్లూడింగ్ రికార్డెడ్ వీడియోస్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను కదా. మ్యాండేట్ నాట్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు. మీరు అసలు జస్ట్ క్లాస్ కి ఏం లేదు, విత్ ఎంటీ హ్యాండ్స్ రండి. చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా ప్లేసెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, రూమ్ చాలా ఉంటాయి అక్కడ, ఏదో క్లాస్ రూమ్ కూర్చొని చేసుకోవచ్చు. రైట్ గైస్, దెన్ yeah, then every class videos will be provided, guys, don't worry. Every class videos are provided for you. Thank you, thanks a lot. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the content, guys. Then almost all demo classes are completed there, so then please try to register for the courses there. Then our admin people will be in touch with you regarding that. Within very soon that link is going to be expired, link is going to be changed, private link will come there. Just try to check the possibility. Thank you guys, thanks a lot.